you've been harmed, and over time the stairs get steeper the higher you climb. Gotta take you away from that lock and key, where the view is so you can see. Why be alone when there's folks around? Don't be afraid to shout out loud. Can bring out the best you'll see, brought out the best in me. Reach ahead for my rebirth, oh yeah. Saying goodbye to all the hurt, well yeah. Instead of moving down, just move out. Suffering's not what a life's about. Take that feeling you've got inside, acting what is right. It may seem hard to move away. There comes a point when you've got to say, I won't stay for this anymore. But you can walk out the door. Reaching for my rebirth, oh yeah. Saying goodbye to all the hurt, well yeah. If you get caught up in a rhyme, we can move along. Just make that change. We're doing it until you're strong. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Reaching for my rebirth, well yeah. Saying goodbye to all the hurt, well yeah. May seem hard to move away. There comes a point when you've got to say, I won't stand for this anymore. But you can walk out the door. Reaching for my rebirth, well yeah. Saying goodbye to all the hurt, well yeah. Let's reach for our rebirth, oh no. Whoa, whoa. Let's reach for our rebirth, oh no. Whoa, whoa. Come on, come on, come on, let's reach for our rebirth, oh no. Whoa. Come on, come on, come on, let's reach in our rebirth. You and I can do it, you and I can do it, you and I can do it. Whoa, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Reaching